Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. Today's video we are going to talk about Constitution because 26th November is celebrated as Constitution Day. Now let's see in detail how you can celebrate Constitution Day in your school. So this is the official circular released by CBSE on 24 November with subject celebration of Constitution Day. As you know, 26th November is celebrated as Constitution Day, and this year it's going to be 75 year of our adoption of Constitution. So in this regard, school need to read the preamble in morning assembly. Then school can also use platform such as constitution75.com and mygov.in for reading preamble in 22 different languages. Then school should motivate parents, teacher and school administrator to join the reading of preamble at 11 a.m. on 26th November 2025. And school need to conduct different activities as well, like talk, seminar, quiz competition, essay writing contest and painting competition. School may be encouraged to participate in online quiz on Constitution Democracy hosted on mygov.in. Now let's see how you can participate in these different activities. So the first, you can read the preamble online and you can download your certificate. For that, this is the website constitution75.com. If you go here, scroll down, here one option is there, participate. Read the preamble and receive the certificate. So you just need to click on participate. Once you participate, you will get this option where one guideline is given you what are the different steps for participation. In step 1, you need to enter your detail like your name, your state, your district. Then in step 2, you need to record your video or upload your video, step 3. Then lastly, you can download your certificate. So once you click on continue button, step 1 will start, then you complete step 2, 3 and 4. So to all of you, student, teacher, school, mark 26th November on your calendar. Be ready for morning assembly reading at 11 a.m. Engage actively and use this as moment to reflect on the value of our Constitution. If you're watching this video, please hype, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.